Hey guys, what's happening? Adrian here. Today's video, we're doing a little sponsorship video, aka hand-me-downs, Big Brother stuff, you know. So we got Ray over here, aka DKG.
What's up, guys?
You know, we're working on his Civic today. He has a 2016 Civic SI. No, I'm kidding. He has the Civic EXL luxury, but we have a bunch of stuff left over, and we're just eager to give it away.
Not that eager.
All right, but we're gonna do some upgrades to his car, and on top of that, I think we're gonna sneak in some other footage, just because this is what we do behind the scenes. We got the FRS over there, and we got something taped up behind the trees over here. You know, we got it set aside with the toys. But hey,
What's good?
you tell us what we have for Ray today.
All right. Oh, you want to hold it? Oh, how nice.
He's running his cameraman key.
All right. So, performance-wise, we have my old Injen intercooler, which let me down on track. But the reason we're giving it to Gavan over here is he's pushing stock power. I'm not. So hopefully this will work for you. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be a little upset that I spent so much on this. But I mean, I want to put it to good use, and like, who else than someone who has the same motor as I do. Also found my old iBox rear sway bar, which, I mean, if he's gonna end up putting more suspension mods into this, this will be a great addition. We'll save you like $100 or so with that. Visual mods, if you look over here, he got the chrome grill, which we're gonna be swapping in my black grill, which came with the sport model in 2018. What do we also have? Oh, where is it? God dang. Brand new carbon fiber mirror caps. Just because the other ones, the clear coat's starting to fade. And then we're gonna be jumping out from this onto the FRS just to paint that lip. But yeah, let's get started with this.
For sure.
Hands on.
Polishing some wood. Oh, metal. No. We got the bumper off, as in they did. I've been over here painting. Got a little painter's high. Some excitement. Let's see, hopefully it comes up pretty good.
Stripped it.
You said you stripped it? Nice.
What?
He didn't even know what you were saying.
I think he does.
He's all like, you got paint to strip?
Alright. Don't use these. Shoo.
Alright, so right now that the bumper's off, we're gonna remove the sensors that don't need to be here at the moment. So we can
You don't need it.
we're gonna remove all the intakes stuff.
What the heck is
All the good restrictors of air power and noises. Hopefully by the end of this we can get some.
You can say that again. One more time.
For the YouTube. Alright.
How does he know?
How do I know how it sounds? Anyways,
These props are so
we
weird.
got a little update on that car. Quick update. And Adrian blew the motor.
They know.
Doing a
Well, actually.
doing a two-step.
Oh, that motor. It's an ongoing thing on the channel, okay?
If we,
That's the third motor.
this is the third motor we've done. FRS has done the motor. Well, it needed the heads done because super power.
It's gonna be the third motor that we have to pull out.
Oh yeah, that's true. So this one's gonna be the third one we fully pull out.
Did the 250 had to get pulled out?
I did. No, they didn't pull it out. They had to do the cams only.
See, this is the difference between me and him.
But the 250 works still.
What are we working on next week?
The paint, because
On what car?
What happened between me and the garbage truck is between us.
The garbage truck.
They don't know what happened.
Does YouTube know?
They don't know.
They should have known because of
They don't need to know.
that front bumper video. Hey, whoa, ¿qué pasó? Hey.
Who put that there?
You did. Party fouls.
Who put that there?
So meanwhile, I'll be replacing that black one with that chrome one.
What's up, man?
What's happening, man?
What you got going on here?
So we got this grill coming off this bumper. Because, you know, what's better than a Panda? Nothing. So, removing the Phillips around here. Gonna add this. Got these chrome tabs coming off also. We're just gonna go full Panda on the car. Might as well.
Yeah.
You know, get some more carbon fiber, more nice black accents to go with the white body.
Yeah.
We're golden. Talk to me like that again, I'm gonna slap you. What's the progress? How with the old?
Oh, we got a lot of. Look at this, beaten and bruised.
That would do.
That's a lot of damage.
That would be a cooler.
Anyway, flex tape can fix this.
Gonna save these.
Oh, in the progress, there's now a big empty hole in here. And then a hole right here.
Don't talk to my boy like that. Here you go, bud.
Oh, I was looking for that one.
Is it yours?
Yeah. See, it's like, we do so much, even weight reduction.
Even detail.
Even I am.
Yeah, we're gonna have to freaking, these headlights are not gonna fly with us. So we're gonna clean these right here.
Don't ask Brian when the hood before I opened it.
Let's just say these scratch marks didn't get there on accident.
Does it match?
Well, I don't know. From here, no.
From here, no.
From here, no.
No, from here it looked like.
Everyone's like, no.
Here, this is like ultra white.
Yeah, right? But it is a pearl.
0000000.
37J whiteout pearl. I don't think it's a whiteout pearl. I think we just have the regular pearl.
Alright, guys, so we're back. Got the intercooler installed. We got Brian fixing some sensors that I accidentally ripped. Right? So he's doing that right now. We're kind of short on time. We got to get ready for the meet. So right now I'm just gonna hit these headlights with a clear coat to prevent them from yellowing again, while Brian does wiring. We got Gavan over here putting all his putting his bumper back together, so we can just throw that on. And then we're gonna see how the lip turned out. We probably won't have time to clear that, but hopefully it's a decent 10-footer for a night meet. So, I mean, we're kind of on crunch time right now.
No pressure.
Oh no. Oh no.
What do you mean? Oh no. Wait. Sorry.
Some of the paint, some of the white got on this.
On the black?
Yeah.
I said there was gonna be overspray. Never said how much.
Said 10-footer.
Alright, so let me let that right now. Brian just fixed the sensor, so we got that on. Other sensors plugged in. We're working on the intake box right now. Just tightening these clamps up. Brian's gonna be working on the hella horns to see where we're gonna bracket those on. Then we can throw on the bumper with the new black grille. Then fire up the car, see if it still runs. Alright, after a couple hours, finally finished this up. Got the intake on. Brian over here soldered.
By hand.
Who knows how much. We also got the intercooler down here. Surprised how it fit, like barely. It's really tight in there.
We got the helis in there.
All
Got
right.
the bumper, the black bump.
Got the black grill. Buff the headlights. One looks better than the other.
Usually is. I don't know why.
We'll fix that, dude. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Don't
all
worry.
good.
So as far as we know, on the ramps it runs fine.
Yeah.
So he's gonna let us know because we're gonna be heading towards that meet now. About an hour late.
2 hours late, actually.
2 hours late. We still gotta wash the cars, but I just want to show you real quick how the lip turned out. Look at that. Sporty. Feeling like a hot boy with this. But yeah, we still gotta bolt this on, then go for a wash. We're just gonna go ahead and clean up right now, but that's gonna be it for today. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Might have been a messy recording, but there's a lot of struggles. I think we can all agree on that.
Saturday well spent.
It's Saturday. I'd rather do this than work. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Later.